Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to clear data in Yandex Browser on your mobile device. If you have been experiencing slow browsing or want to remove your history and other data, first, open Yandex Browser on your mobile device. Next, locate the three-line menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Then, click on the Settings icon to access the browser settings. After that, scroll down until you find the Clear Data option and tap on it. Next, you will see different types of data you can delete, such as browsing history, cache, cookies, and more. Select the type of data you want to remove. Then, tap on Clear Data to start the deletion process. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping on Yes, and the selected data will be removed from your Yandex browser. That's it for today's guide.